Welcome! In front of me I have AirPods Pro and SAMSUNG Galaxy A72, and I will show you how you can connect this to the device. So first we are going to start with the AirPods. You have to open the charging case, then rotate them like that, and click and hold this button to move them into the pairing mode. So let's make it right now. Right now release that key when the indicator is blinking. Enter for Bluetooth settings. Activate Bluetooth. When you find AirPods on the list, you have to tap on them. We have to wait a little bit. I think it takes too much time because in most cases it just connects automatically, like there's maybe 2 or 3 second delay, and after that we are connected, we are paired. So we'll probably turn off the Bluetooth and try to make it one more time. Let's try to go back, close the case, open it one more time, and enter for the Bluetooth settings. Okay, here they are, so let's try to tap again. As you can see right now it works. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.